Hello everyone, I am your friend Ritu Kaushal. Again, I am sitting with a Dharma card, and here I have a beautiful card of Dharma. You can see this person is looking old, looks like a sage of Indian. You will see on the reverse of Holy Ganga. So, name of this card is Mind. Mind. Let me check what is message behind the deck. It is written here: for one who has controlled the mind, it is the best of friends, but for one who has failed to do so, it remains the greatest enemy. From Srimad Bhagavad Gita. We can see this person has worries on his face. After all, being in sage, this person is failed to achieve inner peace. Still, he has the lines of worry. It is proved that somehow this person is not feeling peace inside him. His eyes, his overall gesture is representing that mind is working more than the body. This status is a very difficult status for anyone, because in this stage we are not in a state of consciousness. Now our mind is ruling us. Whenever you see a difference between your mind and actions, you will definitely not performing well at the place. This is the sign of great imbalance. Now your mind is ruling your thoughts, your plans, your ideas, your relationship and everything. There should be a need to control over your mind and take charge by your own soul. When all charges come in the hands of soul, it becomes happy, blissful and peaceful. So what should we do? We should be a thoughtful person, but these thought belongs to soul, not to our mind. There should be a perfect balance in our life between mind and soul, humanity and practicality. Oh wow. This card is purification. It looks that many people are going to Prayagraj, and sorry for the interruption a little bit. Prayagraj is a holy place in India where river Gange is flowing with the river Yamuna, and secretly inside the holy river Saraswati. This is the best sangam of all three here. It is said that if we bat once there, it will purify our all karma, all sins and everything which is hurting, negative in us. So what is message from Swami B.R. Sridhar about purification? It is written here. Whatever you do not know about yourself, the infinite knows. What is underground in the innermost subconscious region of your heart, he also see. If you remember this as you move and live, you cannot be purified. Whatever you do not know about yourself, the infinite knows. There are many things which is recognized by God, universe, but we do not. We are honest, we are beautiful, we are generous, we are kind, but actually what we are. Many people I've seen, those are kicking the animals, throwing out a pregnant dog from their door. And one of my neighbor, she kicked a mother dog with her 8 to 10 days old pups from her door, because it was Navrata and she wants to keep clean her home. But actually that was cleanness of her home only. Her soul was creating and collecting clutter. That action was taken or not by universe, infinite, but not by her. So she thinks she is pure by her own actions, but actually she is not. What is underground in the innermost subconscious region of your heart, he can also see. Whatever I am doing present, what is the exact reason behind this? It is only taken by not one energy. It is infinite, universe, God, divine, our soul father, and he can see. If you remember this as you move and live, you cannot but be purified. So I think if we understand this, God is watching over all our actions. If we keep this thought in our mind and follow our all actions with it, so we definitely find a purification state. But till date we are not purifying. Selfish, we support a wrong person because of our selfish reason. After that we say, yes, I am trying to maintain the peace of home, I am purified, my thoughts were pure, my intentions were pure. No, you create a mess. God knows that. So I think this is enough from my side, and today I want to show you a very beautiful friend of me. These are two beautiful natural clear quartz pointers, and I generally keep them with me. This is a beautiful energy. So actually these these beautiful clear quartz have wonderful energy to clear all kind of negative energy and recharge that place with the positive energy. This is a universal crystal. This is amazing. This is very helpful. You can use it as a center crystal. You can keep it around you, and with my tarot deck it works like miracle. Generally I put my deck in this way because it keeps my deck clean. This is a wonderful way of keeping your tarot deck pure, pious and clean. This is my way. You too can follow. So thank you very much for today listening me and understanding these facts. Thank you very much all of you. Dharma deck is a deepest meditation to understand and learn. With other decks too I will appear. This deck has a deepest meaning which comes after meditation and regular study. This is the only deck which needs deep meditation, deep understanding and care about the situation. Only a long-term meditator can understand and define this deck. So from me, this is for today. Thank you very much. Lots of love. Stay at home, stay safe at your home and love me always. I love you to all. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram. Bye.